You want to cure your blood pressure forever? I'm going to give you a 20-minute a day plan. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years and I help people holistically. I give them realistic advice based on my experience. Here's the 20-minute plan. Number one, you need to do 3 minutes of deep breathing every single day. I put a link down below showing the details in another video showing and demonstrating how deep breathing can actually help normalize your blood pressure. If you're anxious, if you have stress, this is something that you need to do. It only takes 3 minutes. In summary, what you're going to do is you're going to expand your rib cage as much as you possibly can, filling in air into your lungs as much as you can. So what it looks like is I'm just sitting here right now. I'm going to breathe in. I'm going to breathe in. My rib cage is expanding outward and forward and up. I'm breathing in, expanding my rib cage, and when you think you can't get any more air in, you breathe in even more, and then just relax. You do that 30 times, it takes about 3 minutes. This has a calming effect on our parasympathetic nervous system, which helps normalize your blood pressure. Does breathing only one time cure your blood pressure forever? No. This is very similar to brushing your teeth. Brushing your teeth is only temporary, but if you do it every single day, it has very good permanent effects. That's how this helps cure blood pressure. Number two, you're going to go for a 15-minute walk. You don't warm up, you don't put on special clothing, you don't worry about how you look, you don't put on your makeup, you don't comb your hair, you just get out of the house. You're going to get out of the house and you're going to walk, and you're going to have a timer. You're going to time it for 7.5 minutes. That's all you have to think about. Now, when you walk, it's important that you do not walk in a leisurely pace. What's important is that you walk in a fast pace. I always tell my patients that there's window shopping and then there's running. Right before running, you're walking really fast, but you're not lifting your feet. One of the disadvantages of running is people tend to get knee pain and hip pain, and if they're extremely large, it's very difficult on their joints to take running. But many people can walk at a fast pace. How do you know you're walking at a fast pace? Your arms are swinging and you're breathing a little bit heavy. Once you hit 7.5 minutes, your goal is to get back to your house in the same amount of time. So in other words, you don't slow down. So a very fast-paced walking, it only takes 15 minutes. So we've got 15 minutes plus 3 minutes of breathing is 18 minutes. I told you it was going to be a 20-minute plan. You're going to spend 2 minutes making a smoothie. You're going to use vegetables and fruits that help lower blood pressure. What you're going to do is you're going to make a smoothie that consists of spinach, beets, bananas, berries, coconut oil. These are all things that help lower your blood pressure. It's a delicious smoothie, and I'm going to put a link down below that gives some details about other smoothies that I made, but these vegetables help lower your blood pressure. Takes 2 minutes, put it in a blender, zip it up. It takes 1 minute to drink. There's your 20-minute plan. Do it every day and you'd be surprised how your blood pressure over time starts to normalize. I've had patients that literally notice their blood pressure lowers within a couple days. But the positive effects is that if you do it consistently, it'll stay that way for a long period of time. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section below. If you can, go to my Patreon account and become a Patreon. The advantage of becoming a Patreon is you can dictate and ask specific questions, and I will make videos targeted towards those questions just for you.